Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make summary writing. First, you need to identify the core message and essential details of any text. A good summary condenses the original material significantly, often reducing it to about 1/4 or 1/3 of its initial length. Remember to always use your own unique phrasing to show true comprehension and avoid any unintentional plagiarism. This foundational step is crucial for effective summarization. To create an effective summary, begin by reading the source material carefully to fully understand its central theme. As you read, actively highlight or jot down the most critical points and supporting arguments presented by the author. Once you have a clear grasp of these elements, start drafting your summary, ensuring it is both clear and concise. This systematic approach helps capture the essence of the original work. When constructing your summary, it is vital to include the author's primary argument and any essential evidence that supports it. Conversely, you must exclude all minor details, specific examples, and especially your own personal opinions or interpretations. The goal is to accurately reflect the original text's tone and perspective, presenting a neutral and objective overview of the material. The final step involves refining your summary. Carefully review your draft to ensure logical flow and grammatical accuracy throughout. Double-check that your summary precisely conveys the source material's core message without distortion. Finally, verify that the summary is indeed significantly shorter than the original, ideally meeting the 1/4 to 1/3 length guideline. This ensures a polished and effective summary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.